Solve 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 equals 0 using the quadratic formula. We start by recalling the quadratic formula, which is used to solve quadratic equations of the form x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. The formula involves the coefficients a, b, and c from the equation. We identify the coefficients a, b, and c from the given quadratic equation 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 equals 0 as a equals 2, b equals minus 3, and c equals minus 5. We substitute the identified values of a, b, and c into the quadratic formula to get the expression for x. We simplify the expression under the square root, open bracket minus 3 close bracket squared minus 4 open bracket 2 close bracket open bracket minus 5 close bracket equals 9 plus 40 equals 49. The square root of 49 is 7. We calculate the two possible values for x by adding and subtracting 7 from 3 and then dividing by 4. This yields x equals 5 over 2 and x equals minus 1.